This is the Canon Image Plus LVP 6030W printer, and today I will repair this printer. This printer problem is paper jam problem, and sometimes it's missing the picking the paper. Okay, let's check this. Turn on the power on, and you just press and hold this printer for 5 seconds, and it's take a command for printing a test page. You can see it's trying, but it cannot pick up in this paper. Okay, let's pick this. And this problem comes from this pickup roller, and today I will show how to fix this without changing this pickup roller. Okay, very easy and simple way. And first of all, I need to open this pickup roller. Here is one lock, which one attach this pickup roller on this rod. Okay, you just put your hand in the paper tray. Okay, after that you just press the lock. Okay, and you can use this. Okay, it's open. This one, and you can see this side is smooth and plain. It is not possible to pick up a paper, and you can see the inside, and this side is rough and some greavy type. It can be pull that paper, and you can clean this side, and after that you just rotate this rubber the other side. First of all, I want to open this. And this is open, and after that I clean this and cleaner. Okay, and you have to be remember this side when you install this side, and you just use this side from this here. Okay, which side pick up our paper from the tray. Okay, like this. Okay, this one absolutely okay, fine. Now install this. This is very easy to setting, and you just follow this instruction how I am setting this, and you look this lock, and this lock hold on this place. Okay, after that you just press this, and it's setting, and it is fitting perfectly. Okay, let's check this. Press and hold this button for 5 seconds. It automatically take a command for printing, and it took. It's printing as well as good. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.